Hey, what's up, Ecomi holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the emergency update of Omicron. My friends, this is very emergency update and very urgent. Never miss any second of this video. If you miss any second of this video, so maybe you're lost in the future, my friends. Anyways, let's start the video. Before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time, the latest price of the Omicron in the market is 0.02 USD dollar. 0.002 USD dollar is the currently at this time live and latest price of the Omicron. On the other side, if we talk about the BTC price of the Omicron, so 0.000005 is the BTC Bitcoin price of the Omicron. And if you want more updates of the Omicron, so you can see here the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the Omicron. Everything is present on the front of your eyes, my friends. And let me show you, my friends, the price changes occurs in Omicron. My friends, here you know what, my friends, when I see the price changes the result analytics of the Omicron, so I'm very shocked that again the falls down Omicron price. Oh my god, you can see here from the previous last 1 week the price of Omicron is again and again falls down. The last 1 week the pricing is negative. Last 24 hours, last 20 pricing is also negative. You can see now on the screen negative 2% price falls down in the last 24 hours. But now in the currently condition, I'm very happy because I saw the positive change occur in the Omicron. So that is why I'm feeling good, my friends. Anyways, let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the Omicron. From the price chart, that's clear that the Omicron is at this time is fast down. As I show you, my friends, that the last 1 weekend the price of Omicron is going down. And now at this time in the last hour only start jumping. So I hope very soon the price will pump and you will get profit from Omicron. And my prediction also tells us that Omicron will take a huge pump in the next few days, my friends. They will take a huge pump. So remember that, my friends. Remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. What is your opinion and what is your prediction about Omicron? Tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.